Welcome to yoga. For this relaxing and deep stretching yin practice, you may need a block and a bolster. So grab whatever props you've got and place them next to the side of your mat. Place the bolster next to the back right side of your mat. Then when you're ready, meet me in a belly shavasana, face down at the top of your mat, with your left ear down, arms and legs out long behind you. If this is a little intense to start, you can always bend your right knee to act as a kind of kickstand in this pose. Close your eyes. Deepen your breath and observe the rise and fall of your back as you breathe. In yin yoga, we tend to hold poses for a couple of minutes at a time. Not hold per se, more relax into place. So in every position you find yourself to be in, release what you don't need. Use the props I suggest to bring the ground to you to support your body. Then once you find yourself in a position, just breathe deeply and relax fully. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, then press up slightly to switch which ear is down on the mat. With your right ear down, extend your right arm straight out from your side with your palm facing down. Then relax your left arm long down by your side. Let your feet fall open and observe any new sensation. Place your left hand underneath your left shoulder. Then gently press into your left hand to roll your body onto your right side, stretching through your right chest and shoulder. Bend both knees towards you as if you were lying in a fetal position. And if you want to take this one step further, wrap your left arm around behind you, bringing the top of your left hand to your lower back for a half bind. Then extend your left leg straight and long behind you. Reach it back to rest your left foot on top of your bolster. Wherever you find yourself, remind yourself to breathe and release everything you don't need. Where else can you let go? How else can you soften for just a few more smooth, deep breaths? One more big breath in. Big breath out. Place your left hand underneath your left shoulder. Pull your navel in towards your spine. Using the strength of your core, draw your knees back in, and then roll onto your stomach with your legs straight out behind you, and switch. So your left ear is down, left arm straight up from your side, palm down. Place your right arm long down by your side. Let your feet fall open. Take a moment here to relax. Now place your right hand underneath your right shoulder. Press into your right hand to roll your body onto your left side and bend both knees, pulling your knees up towards your chest. If you did on the other side, add your half bind. And if you extended your leg long, then use your top leg to first shift your bolster over and then rest your ankle down on the bolster. And it's okay to be uncomfortable. These poses can be uncomfortable, but know the difference between discomfort and pain or strain. Discomfort is just being pushed outside of your comfort zone. And it might not feel like it, but that's a good place to be. Because in this place, a place of discomfort, that's where you grow. One more inhale. And exhale. Place your right hand down on your mat. Firm up your core, then pull your right knee in. Roll onto your tummy for a belly shavasana with your right ear down, arms out long, legs fall open. Gently close your eyes and notice any new sensation in the openings that you just created. Namaste.